startup deal days in the platform where they can actually get access to customers. So in HDFC Bank, we are actually building the entire ecosystem for them, which is not only banking but also value-added services, helping them to access customers. We work in fintech space with startup. We also work with startups in HR space, small trade. We have interestingly working with legal startups also helping, resolving complex legal issues also. So we are open, and we would want more and more startups to work with us, provided they actually, are committed and in sync with the process of. Thank you.
Yeah, so I think if there is silence, it would be better. We could do a better interaction. So Ajay,
started days in the platform where they can actually get access to customers. So in HDFC Bank, we are actually building the entire ecosystem for them, which is not only banking but also value-added services, helping them to.
Hello. Yes, thank you for the Actually, as you know, data mail is a global opportunity, and as our topic goes, skill for employment. And actually, data mail brings an opportunity of building products and services into a linguistic space. Just to give you a little idea around India itself, and that is true even for global world, that only 12% people knows how to write English and read English. Only 12%.
Started deal days in the platform where they can actually get access to customers. So in HDFC Bank, we are actually building the entire.
You are talking about blockchain, you are talking about these services, we are talking, all the services which we have mentioned now today are only addressing, let us say, around 12% direct and 8% assisted. This is the data by government. So approximately 20% people are able to directly access the internet and the services. 80% of the market is still untapped. And if we need to address them, the language barrier has to be removed. So you need to bring in the services in the language space. So we saw an opportunity and started an email service where you can have an email account in a non-English script. So you can have an email address as smita.bhagat in Hindi, or you can have a smita.bhagat at hdfc.bharat in Hindi, like that. So it's free app and everybody can have it, and then the enterprise emails. How youth supported is very interesting. If you will go on YouTube and you will search data mail, you will find hundreds of videos made by youth people to train how to use an email in Tamil. Because till now, it was not possible to teach an Indian who does not know English. Now, there is an email address, and somebody saw an opportunity to teach how to create an email address in Tamil and Telugu and Marathi, and now people have started their business models at their own. At the same time, when we need to build more languages like Russia, China, and Arabic, we needed a support from the young startups who are working into language space and use them. So we used their skills to build the linguistic
So are we working space and use them and then the requirement of photo manage so college supervisor so how do you get required so maybe I think we have people required along with this project where people are doing work on examples of startups that you're working with, specifically in different fields, let's say one in fintech and one in HR.
No, I just talk about something which will interest everyone. We have around 6.5 crore printers registered in our country, and they contribute 45% of our GDP. 70% today will not which is actually helping these small traders create
Startups that you're working with, specifically in different fields, let's say one in fintech and one in startups that you're working with, specifically in different fields, let's say one in fintech and one
the other is HR because
startups that you're working with, specifically in different fields, let's say one in fintech and one in could you give us examples of your startup? Startups that you're working with, specifically in different fields, let's say one in fintech and one in startup that you are working with, an opportunity. So, one startup I want to talk about. It's so also interesting learning in the way we look at marketing. With the company which does video mobile. And while everybody is talking about serving mobile videos, very few people are successful. The beauty of this model is that whatever video is paid, you get people to subscribe to it. And the most surprising part about this, most low-end users, paid telecom users, fees a month, subscribe to this model, and typically consume videos.
इससे ऊपर क्वालिटी के अंदर इसके
not
चलने वाली बात है।
top quality videos you see on television channels here. So these are
अभी 720 चल रही है, इसके ऊपर एक क्वालिटी और है।
all time and so on. Videos which are created for content, low cost content served digitally on mobile platform but monetized. And you know so many people thought of it. The other one which is working is digital advertising process. So digital advertising while there's a lot of manual into it required people to select which is served to top quality videos. The company is automating your ad process. Various fields automatically most startups fail not because they have not been able to make the product, but because they could not acquire customers. And one of the reasons why Silicon Valley is when they have ecosystem of early adopters. So in a place like Rajasthan and Yeppar, it would be very important to have early adopters, the ecosystem of users. My view is that government can do a lot in terms of providing that first set of customers or being a customer themselves to make the startup ecosystem effective. Today we have seen that the first three prices are basically that government will give 15 lakhs, 10 lakhs and 5 lakhs as being customers, and I think that's a great value. But how can this become all pervasive? What could be the role of government in nurturing this ecosystem? So if all three of you could comment on what would be the government role? I would talk from the perspective of Australia and government is possibly on the but in most of these cases the management process is very long. It's still put in private companies or traditional media companies, and it's very difficult for a new digital media startup or a new digital because of the criteria which they work on. I would suggest that for all these they want level playing field where they're also given a chance to be able to come and take part of that advertising money and judge them on what they deliver. Government should relax the norm to allow these companies to also come and offer their services at cost. That be a great platform. So like companies like